finding the perfect project car is more than just spotting a cool vintage ride. It's about uncovering hidden details and knowing exactly what to look for. When my son and I set out on our very first father-son project, we quickly learned that a great car isn't just about style. It's about substance. Before making a purchase, we checked every inch for rust, not only on the obvious surfaces, but also in the tight, hidden corners where moisture can do silent damage. We inspected the engine compartment meticulously, remembering that in a Volkswagen Bug, the engine is at the back. Listening for a steady, healthy hum and looking for any signs of leaks or corrosion. The paint job was another vital clue. A faded or peeling finish often signals neglect or prior accidents, so we examined it closely to gauge the car's care history. We also paid attention to the vehicle identification numbers, ensuring they matched across different parts of the car, a critical step to verify its authenticity and history. And of course, we scrutinized the price. It had to be low enough to allow for necessary repairs, but not so low that it indicated hidden expensive problems waiting to surface. For us, every dent and imperfection was not just a potential challenge, but an opportunity to learn and improve our skills. Our first project taught us that with careful inspection and a keen eye for detail, every flaw can become a lesson, and every smart purchase a victory shared between father and son.